Shot-making skills at the top and a dunk contest to end the top 10. We start, of course, at number 10 down in Orlando. And just check out the work of Ryan Anderson. Okay, so this is no good. That's a missed three-pointer. But make up for it, Ryan Anderson. How about that? Tough shot over Steph Curry. Draws a little contact behind the backboard. And he knocks that one home. Big shot for Ryan Anderson. A three-point play. The Harlem Globetrotters were playing tonight, and at number 9, Jrue Holiday seems inspired. Look at this right around Chris Paul and Emeka Okafor for the nice little push shot there. At number 8, this is veteran power. Tracy McGrady inside to Ben Wallace for the jam. Hey, T-Mac, just a rebound shy of a triple-double. At number 7, Chris Paul leads the NBA in steals, so he's good at it. Pass safely, people, around Chris Paul. Trevor Ariza on the other end barely makes the alley-oop, but good shot-making skills from Trevor Ariza to get that one home as well. At number 6, a fancy layup from one Ronnie Price, who is fast in motion in Utah. A little bit of a no-look there, toss it up softly, and yeah, that one goes. That's fancy from Ronnie Price, who we note now will be seen again in the top 10. At number 5, the southpaw spike from Tayshaun Prince, throwing that one home. Nice pound there from Prince. Andre Kirilenko down. Prince recognizes and goes straight to the rack. Get out of the way, Al Jefferson. At number 4, well, we told you he was coming back. Ronnie Price in the top 10 one more time. Rip Hamilton with the miss, and Utah on the run out. How about a little lean in with the left from Ronnie Price? Nice stuff there. Clobbers that one home. Nice awareness by the Jazz to get it up to him as well for the easy 2. Moving along, number 3, it's Tyrus Thomas tying the Miami Heat defense in knots with this little spin move. LeBron James on the ground trying to keep up with Tyrus, who does a little reverse spin and throws that one down with 2 hands. At number 2, Courtney Lee on the run, and Aaron Brooks knows how to find him. Courtney Lee. This isn't dunking on the Birdman. This is dunking past the Birdman. Just a little too quick for Chris Anderson there, and Courtney Lee brings that one home. But at number 1, with Michael Jordan watching, it's LeBron James playing the passing lanes to perfection. How about a steal? And then he's all alone. Nobody's catching him from behind. Not Deion Sanders, not anybody. LeBron James with the reverse jam. He had a season-high 38. The Heat get the win. They're 11th straight on the road, and that's your top 10.